Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It's 8:08 here in the middle part of the country on Monday. It's June 28th, 2021. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Beachbody's going public this morning. The symbol is BODY. Of course, that's the Disney Plus of workout videos. At least that's what they're calling themselves. I remember back in, early 2010s, maybe a little earlier than that, 2008. You had Insanity, you had Shaun T. It was all the rage. Well, now they're doing a streaming service. I guess they do have some workout machines as well. Looks like the company's actually been profitable for the last 20 of the last 22 years. Could be an interesting name on a go-forward basis as folks continue to be home and sort of adopt a hybrid home and gym approach, as they do a hybrid home and work approach. Could be an interesting name on a go-forward basis. Tesla is recalling 285,000 cars in China. Why? Well, its autopilot will turn on and off mistakenly. That's causing some accidents. Looks like another hiccup in the road for the autopilot on Tesla's vehicles. It's sort of their main calling card, right? Autopilot. You can buy a car now, it'll drive itself in the future. We're going to update. This is going to be a larger problem if they don't get this figured out, right? It's sort of their giant leading edge in the EV space. As we see Ford, as we see Honda now is going to do their own electric vehicles. Of course, they're having GM's producing Honda's electric vehicles for the next couple of years, and they'll be launching their own in 24. Volvo, etc. All these legacy car brands are catching up sort of on that battery front, on sort of the production front, just getting EVs on the road and in service. Tesla's huge advantages in their autopilot feature, right? Their sensors, etc. Having a car that drives itself, being the first to sort of get to that level 5 autopilot. If they don't make progress there, that could signal some very troubling signs for the company on a go-forward basis. Still a name we love, still on our select list, but just some news to be aware of. We always want to make sure we're giving all the information about companies we like. Last, before we get off to a nice week, United Airlines is ordering $30 billion in jets. Looks like they're going to announce that deal tomorrow. It's going to be a hybrid. It's going to be some Boeing, some Airbuses. Of course, they're talking about sort of skinny jets, right? 2 engines. They can fly sort of longer haul routes. We're talking the Airbus 321. We're talking the Boeing 737 MAX, right? Interesting to see how they split up that order, how they're priced. Of course, normally giant carriers that are placing order for 300 planes get a pretty good deal from Boeing, from Airbus, as they're trying to compete and get these planes into service, get pilots type rated for those planes, and therefore make sure they establish a dominant position in the industry. As we've talked about a number of times here on the jog, companies are ordering massive capex here in the United States and abroad, but really here in the United States, massive capital expenditures from companies all across the market capitalization spectrum. Large companies, small companies, medium-sized companies. We're really seeing robust economic growth unlike we've ever seen in really this century, right? Really, going back to 2000 is the last time we saw really good growth. It's even eclipsing growth we had in 07 and 08. A lot of different sectors looking very good. This United order, just another little piece of data to support that thesis. If you want some additional information throughout the week, of course, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It's always OKC CFA CFP. Until then, hope you have a good Monday. I am out.